hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Let me know down below. Today we have got a haul video which I'm very excited to film. I have been kind of accumulating little bits and pieces over the past few weeks, and I thought I would just go through a few bits, kind of share them with you, let you know my thoughts and stuff, why I bought them and all that jazz. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 10,000 subscribers, and I currently have a giveaway on my channel where as soon as we hit 10k I will be announcing the winner. You can win lush stuff, beauty stuff, makeup, all that sort of stuff. So if you haven't entered that, it is on my channel, make sure you do so. But yes, without further ado, I'm going to dive into this haul. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So firstly, I'm going to go through some jewellery pieces that I've bought recently, mainly because I want to put them on, so I'm going to go through them first. Now, I actually have 4 rings. I am absolutely obsessed with rings. I actually have a few others that I've bought, but they're in my jewellery box, so I'm just going to show you these ones for now. But I've been absolutely obsessed with rings, especially crystal rings. Absolutely obsessed. So I have 4 to share with you. The first 2 were from the silver shop in Bath. If you've not been in there and you're looking for a lovely kind of silver piece of jewellery, stunning. I could have bought so many rings from in there, but I had to control myself, so I actually bought myself 2. So the first one is this blue opal. I actually think I mentioned this in a favourites video, but I did get my mum the white opal, so we have kind of matching rings, which is really cute. So I went for the blue one, and it's got some kind of diamonds on the side. Obviously they're not real diamonds, but I just really like this ring. I think it's so pretty, and it's just a bit of me, so I bought that one. I then also got this one, which now I'm filming this video, I can't remember what crystal this is. My friend Steph told me, I think it's kunzite maybe? I can't remember. The lady in the shop couldn't remember either, but I think this could be kunzite, I'm not too sure. But this is a beautiful kind of oval ring, and I wear them together and I just really like the way they look. I love crystal rings, so I just couldn't control myself. I cannot remember how much these were. I want to say this one was about 22 because it is real silver, and I want to say this one was probably about a similar price, maybe £25 or something like that. So I'm absolutely obsessed with those. I then went shopping with my friend Steph, and we popped into the crystal shop. And if you've been to the crystal shop and you don't know, they do an incredible amount of jewellery. The ring selection is stunning and I absolutely love it, and I got a few rings. So the first one is this. This is the malachite stone. I forgot what I was trying to say there. This is a malachite crystal, and I absolutely love this. I love the design of this ring. It kind of twists around. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but the kind of design of this I'm just obsessed with, and I absolutely love malachite, and I cannot remember how much this was. I want to say it was about £8 because their jewellery is currently half price, which is such a bargain, so I picked up that one. And the second one that I got, I think, is my favourite because this is moonstone, and this is absolutely stunning. I don't know whether you guys are going to be able to see it very well. It's got the most beautiful kind of blue flash to it. I love it, and again, this one was half price, and I cannot remember how much this one was. This one was probably a little bit more expensive. I want to say this one might have been, I don't know, £15 or something. So yeah, I got that one as well, and I love it. Sticking with the crystal theme, I feel like I may as well go down that road. I have got a beautiful Howlite sphere, which I actually bought a few weeks ago now, so I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I really wanted a piece of Howlite for my collection, and I saw this sphere and I just had to get it. I love the patterning on it. It's so beautiful. It just reminds me of marble, and I absolutely love it. So I bought this one, and I cannot remember how much this was. I want to say it was probably around the £20 mark. It was relatively expensive, but I do love this. It's so beautiful. And then I also picked up 2 tumbles. I've been really into my tumbles recently. I don't know why. Usually I'm not that into my tumbles, but over the past few months I've bought quite a few. The first one is this one, and I'm not too sure what this is, so please leave me a note down below. Again, I was getting very excited when I was shopping, and I just picked up stuff and didn't pay enough attention to what it actually was, but I got this one and I absolutely love it. However, I am so obsessed with the next one. The shape of this is so cute. This is a little tiny kind of smooth rounded cube. It's so cute. This is ruby in something, and I cannot remember what it is, so again, let me know down below. I know it is ruby and something, but I'm not too sure what the something was, but I got that one as well, and I cannot remember how much these were. I want to say these were maybe £7 each, so relatively expensive for a tumble, but I just love the quality of the crystal shop. I think I just love picking things out myself rather than buying them online, so I much prefer to pay a little bit extra. But I got those and I'm obsessed. So yeah, if you guys know what these are, let me know. This one has more of a matte texture and this one's really glossy, but yeah, I love those both very, very much. Very happy with my purchases. Next up, moving on to beauty products. Now, I haven't really bought overly loads in regards to beauty, makeup, skincare, that kind of thing, because I am trying to get through all the stuff I currently own. So I'm trying not to hoard as much as I used to, because I used to have so much stuff. But I did go into Kiko the other day and I bought this. I believe I mentioned this in a favourites video, but this is a lip oil and it has some really beautiful kind of flower petals inside. I mainly bought this because this is incredibly aesthetically pleasing. It is just a lip oil. It is not that exciting. It was £15, which I thought Kiko was a lot cheaper than that, but definitely a little bit pricey in my opinion. But I really, really like this and it is beautiful. It's just a clear lip oil that smells beautiful, so I love that. And secondly, from Kiko, I bought this. This is a coloured lip balm in the shade Almond. I am obsessed with this. It smells amazing for starters. It's got a very kind of MAC cosmetic smell, but not only that, it's such a beautiful colour. Like, it's just such a natural kind of glossy, balmy kind of colour, and I love this. I think this was about £8, so not relatively expensive, definitely affordable, but it's such a lovely kind of lip balm and I really like it and I love the colour, so I definitely want to pick up some more of these for sure. The next item is a book purchase, and that is this one. This is the Spells for Change book by Frankie Castagna. I think that's how you pronounce it. I bought this from the works for, I believe it was like £3 or £4 or something, very inexpensive, and I just like to have a read of it. It's really calming. I find when I'm kind of cleansing my crystals, I love to have a little read of books like around this kind of subject, and I find it really calming and relaxing. So I have been really, really enjoying this. But yeah, I got it from the works. It was literally £4 and they had some really good crystal books in there, so if you want to kind of get into that sort of thing, go to the works. They're really, really affordable. Especially because this was originally £12.99. I got it for £4, so bargain of the century if I do say so myself, and yeah, I love it. And also the colour, so aesthetically pleasing. I love that. The next item is a denim jacket. I bought this from Primark and it was £15, so really inexpensive. It's just your classic kind of denim jacket. It is meant to be cropped, I think, but I bought mine in a size 16 because I wanted it just to be like a normal denim jacket, but they didn't have any in there that weren't really small or really cropped or anything like that, so I did just up the size a few sizes, if you know what I mean. But I really, really like this. My boyfriend did a print on it for me for work, so I can wear this to work now, and I just really, really like it. So yeah, that's basically it. It's just a simple denim jacket. It's blue, nothing special, £15, bargain of the century. And I did years ago, if you are an OG, like OG to my channel, you would have seen that a few years ago I actually dyed a denim jacket. I did a tie-dye and it's pink and blue. I still have it and I still wear it to this day, but yeah, I might do that again this summer. Let me know if you want to see that, but yeah, I might do that. And last but by no means least is the kind of big purchase I've made over the past few months, and that is my new Doc Marten boots. These are the Aldrich Chelsea boots with the kind of lighter sole, and I am obsessed with these shoes. These were £179, so they are relatively expensive. Like, that is quite a lot of money to spend on a pair of shoes, but I love Doc Martens. I wear my Doc Martens all the time. I'm a big Doc Martens advocate, so for me this was just kind of a necessity, do you know what I mean? So these are a really comfortable soft leather as well, so they didn't need wearing in. They were comfortable straight away. They're a Chelsea boot, so they slip on, no laces, platform, absolutely love, but lightweight, and they are honestly one of my favourite pairs of Doc Martens that I own. These are so comfy, so wearable. I just love them. So yeah, if you want to get yourself a nice pair of Chelsea boots, highly recommend these. I do have the quad Chelsea boots, which I love, but these ones I just find are a lot easier to wear kind of day to day because they are softer leather, they're lighter, easy to put on, and that kind of vibe. But yeah, obsessed. So that is everything for my collective haul. It wasn't overly large, like I haven't bought loads and loads of stuff because I am trying to be a bit better with money. So yeah, I haven't bought loads and loads of things. However, this is what I've bought recently. Let me know down below what you have bought recently, if you've treated yourself to anything or if you're saving up to buy yourself something. I would love to know down below, and obviously don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.